in this video I want to show you the power steering location of the fluid under the hood. So open the hood of your Honda Accord and you're gonna go over here on the right side. You're gonna notice there is a red cap. You simply need to unscrew it, okay? And this is the reservoir. Now it's important to note that if you go on the side of this reservoir, you're gonna have the levels. You need to make sure to never go above, okay? So you have the upper level where I'm currently pointing. Never put more than the last line on the top. Once you're done, it's important to put back this cap completely. Okay, make sure it's in there. And yeah, this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.